Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the highest common factor of these two numbers given in prime factorization. And since the number is already given in prime factorization, I will just need to compare and find the common factors. And I like to do it this way. 2 times 3 power 2 times 11 power 5, 2 power 4 times 3 times 11 power 2. And so the HCF, I simply choose the one that has the smallest power. So in this case, comparing 2 and 2 power 4, I will choose 2. Comparing 3 power 2 and 3, I'll choose 3, the smallest power. 11 power 5 and 11 power 2, I will choose the 11 power 2. And therefore, the final answer, 726. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.